Hey folks, today's DevOps SRE interview question is how do you install Ansible on an Ubuntu machine in GCP? It's pretty simple actually, just a few steps to do that. So I'm going to demo that to you right now. Yes, it's pretty actually easy actually. If you like the content I'm creating, please subscribe. That really helps me out. So here I am logged on to a GCP VM I call Ansible Control Node. I can even show you that on the console here. This is my console for GCP. If you go into Compute Engine, you will see that I have three machines running, one called the control node, one of the target nodes, which will not be used in this video because they'll be used to play playbooks on them later on. But right now, all I'm going to do is on this host that I'm logged onto, install Ansible. So going back to that machine, all I have to do is sudo apt update, just to update all the apt requirements. Just make it all, because it's a fresh machine, it may not have all the latest of the app packages. So I'm doing that. That's the first step, and then it all should be done pretty quickly here. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, that's done. So now we have to install this package called Software Properties Common. What it does is it basically gives you the PPA, the personal package archives. Essentially, those are package repos because once you install that, then you have access to the archives. Then we're going to use a particular archive to actually install Ansible from. So sudo apt install -y for, don't ask me for confirmation, software dash properties dash common. And what did you say? Already on the newest version. That's cool. So I didn't have to do that. Okay. And the next thing I need to do is basically install Ansible. So sudo apt install -y. Actually, no, we need to add the PPA that holds the Ansible package. So we need to do -y and then dash update PPA :Ansible dash Ansible. So this will give us access to the repo that has the Ansible package. Okay, something went wrong. Sudo apt install -y update PPA Ansible. What did I do wrong? Command line option up, it is not understood. So the other option, so it doesn't like that. Maybe I have to do yes instead. Let's try that. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. Sudo apt install update. Let's see if I didn't do yes at all. Did that work? PPA :Ansible. That doesn't like update at all. Okay. So let's try -y. No update. Interesting. Okay. What am I doing wrong? I'm going to ask ChatGPT how to do this. So let's go back to my browser and let's ask how to install Ansible on Ubuntu. All right. So I already did that. All right, let's go back up here. Oh, it's not a package. It's adding a repo. So my command was wrong. Let's copy that. Go back to the machine. And as you can see here, I did an apt install. That wasn't the command. The command was add repository. So that should work, hopefully. Okay, so now it's adding the repository that has the Ansible package. And then now all I do is sudo apt install -y, so don't ask me for confirmation. Ansible. Let's try that. Okay, it's doing a bunch of stuff. By the way, I tried doing this on my Mac, and it tried to install a whole bunch of requirements, and eventually it got stuck installing something called LLMA or something like that. It literally sat there for a couple hours, didn't make progress, even though the CPU was going nuts. So I really wanted to show how to do this on my Mac, but because it didn't finish, I ended up doing this on a Ubuntu machine in GCP, which is much quicker anyway. So, okay, should be almost done. Come on. Okay. I guess that's man pages. Interestingly, I don't see the package that my Mac was stuck on. It doesn't even try to install that here for Ubuntu. So the requirements are different, I guess, for different operating system. Well, there's a lot more. Maybe I missed it. Anyhow, 98%. Almost there. Okay, come on. Okay, now it's done. So you can confirm it by saying Ansible. You can say, first of all, you can say which Ansible. That means it'll show you the path. There's the Ansible binary installed. I can also say Ansible dash version, and then all the different versions. Ansible. So now we have Ansible installed on the control node. So on the next video, we're going to start doing some ad hoc commands and the playbooks. So I hope you found this useful, and I will see you in the next video.